Welcome to the Campus Support Tutorials for Families video series. In this video, you will learn how to look up your students' bus information on Infinite Campus Parent Portal. Log into your parent account and click on the student you would like to look up. Then click More in the left-hand menu. Then scroll down and click Transportation. This page brings up an overview of all of your students' bus information. It shows your pickup route name, the approximate time of pickup in the morning, the location where your student will be picked up, the time of drop-off in the afternoon, and the location your student will be dropped off at. This view also shows your MyStop username and password for logging in to the MyStop app. To switch to another one of your children, navigate to the upper right-hand menu and choose a different student from the drop-down list. Thank you for watching. For more information, please see the transportation website or contact the transportation department using the phone number or email on this page.